You are working out. You are eating clean. You're doing everything right, but the results aren't showing. Why? It's not just about what you're doing. It's about what you might be doing wrong without even realizing it. Today, I'm exposing the hidden habits that are silently sabotaging your fitness journey. No fluff, no gimmicks, just real talk and the truth you need to hear. Stick around, because fixing even one of these can be the turning point in your fitness progress. Mistake number 1. Poor sleep habits. We often prioritize workouts and diet, but completely neglect the most powerful recovery tool: sleep. If you're sleeping less than 6 to 7 hours a night, your body simply doesn't recover. And recovery is everything. Muscles don't grow in the gym, they grow while you sleep. Without proper rest, your hormones go haywire. Your energy drops, cravings shoot up, and fat loss stalls. You might think pushing harder gets results, but without recovery, you're just digging a deeper hole. So how do you fix that? Prioritize 7 to 9 hours of high-quality sleep each night. Keep a consistent schedule. Make your room dark and cool, and cut screen time before bed. Treat sleep like part of your training plan. Mistake number 2. No clear workout plan. Working out without structure or a clear goal is like navigating without a map. Random effort equals random results. Poor form or overtraining with no plan increases injury risk. If you're lifting the same weight every week, running the same miles, or repeating the same routine, guess what happens? Your body adapts, and progress stops. Fitness isn't about just showing up. It's about strategic progression. If your plan doesn't include progressive overload or skill improvement, you're spinning your wheels. Strategy, structure, and sustainability. That's how transformation happens. How to fix it? Let's make this simple. Lift weights 3 to 4 times per week. Add high-intensity interval training 1 to 2 times per week. Change your rep schemes, exercises, or rest times every 4 to 6 weeks. Mix strength, cardio, and mobility. Build a routine that evolves with you. If you're unsure, consult a trainer or learn from a reputable source. Mistake number 3. Poor nutrition. You worked out hard, and now you're sipping that healthy fruit juice. Bad news, that post-workout sugar spike might be storing fat instead of burning it. Even natural sugars can halt fat burn if mistimed. And then there's the weekend binging. Skipping meals, late-night snacks. One bad weekend can wipe out 5 days of discipline. It's not just about calories, it's about control, timing, and intention. How to fix it? Here's what you can do instead. Track your intake loosely. Prioritize protein. Stay hydrated with water, black coffee, or coconut water. Avoid calorie-heavy drinks. Eat balanced meals with lean protein, healthy fats, and good carbs. Consistency beats perfection. Aim for 80% clean, 20% flexible. Mistake number 4. Ignoring hydration. Dehydration messes with your strength, focus, and fat burning. Just 1 to 2% dehydration can cause fatigue, muscle cramps, reduce endurance, making your workouts way less effective. Water helps your body recover, repair muscles, and burn fat. Without it, progress stalls and injuries creep in. How to fix it? This one change can shift everything. Drink 2.5 to 3 liters a day, more if you're training hard. Hydrate before, during, and after your workouts. Add electrolytes if you sweat a lot. Mistake number 5. Inconsistent training, skipping workouts. Constantly changing plans. Training intensely one week, then ghosting the next. Results come from consistent effort over time. Your body needs regular, repeated signals to adapt, not random chaos. If you're not consistent, you're not progressing, period. How to fix it? But don't worry, it's fixable. Create a realistic and sustainable fitness schedule. Embrace flexibility. If you miss a session, don't quit. Just pick up where you left off. Progress, not perfection. Mistake number 6. Skipping warm-ups and cool-downs. Let's talk about what you're probably skipping. Are you jumping into a workout without a warm-up, or walking out without cooling down? If that sounds like you, it's not a small mistake. Neglecting warm-ups and cool-downs increases risk of injury, stiffness, and delayed recovery. It's not just what you lift, it's how you prepare and finish. Warm-ups and cool-downs aren't optional, they're necessary. How to fix it? Let's break down how to turn this around. Do 5 to 10 minutes of dynamic warm-ups before training. Light cardio, mobility drills, joint rotations. After workouts, cool down with stretching or low-intensity movement. Give your body the care it needs. Mistake number 7. Not tracking progress. Here's a question. How do you know you're improving? If you're not tracking anything, your workouts, your meals, your progress, how can you expect results? Worse, if you're only looking at the scale, you're missing the big picture. Weight fluctuates. You might be gaining muscle and losing fat, but without tracking, you'll feel like you're stuck. How to fix it? The fix is easier than you think. Use a fitness app. Track multiple metrics. Take progress photos. Measure your waist, arms, and thighs. Note how your clothes fit. Track your strength in the gym. Celebrate all wins, not just the scale. Mistake number 8. Overtraining without proper rest. More isn't always better. Training every day with no rest leads to burnout, injury, and lack of motivation. Muscles don't grow when you train, they grow when you rest. How to fix it? Most people get stuck here. But there's a way out. Schedule at least one full rest day per week. Every 4 to 6 weeks, add a deload week with reduced volume or intensity. Rest is productive. Rest is progress. Habit number 9. Relying too much on supplements, fat burners, pre-workouts, muscle gainers. Supplements are just that. Supplements. They can't fix poor sleep, bad nutrition, or inconsistent training. If the basics aren't dialed in, no powder or pill is going to save your progress. How to fix it? Here's how to stop wasting money and energy. Focus on the fundamentals first. Whole foods, smart training, proper rest, hydration. Add supplements only when you've nailed the basics. Always consult a professional. Mistake number 10. Ignoring stress management. Stress might feel invisible, but its effects are not. Chronic stress elevates cortisol, a hormone that stores fat, especially around your belly, and breaks down muscle. Your body doesn't care why you're stressed. A deadline or a tiger, it reacts the same, and often. Stress triggers emotional eating, more guilt, and even more stress. Your body doesn't distinguish between physical and mental stress. Both affect your fitness journey. How to fix it? So what should you do instead? Make stress relief non-negotiable. Try meditation, breathing exercises, nature walks, journaling. Protect your mental game. Habit number 11. Sitting too much, a sedentary lifestyle. You crushed an hour in the gym. That's awesome. But then you sat for the next 10. That 1 hour doesn't erase a sedentary lifestyle. Your low, non-exercise activity. NEAT reduces overall calorie burn, slows metabolism, and stiffens muscles. How to fix it? Here's how to break the cycle. Move every hour. Walk after meals. Take the stairs. Park farther. Stand during calls. Even small actions compound over time. Mistake number 12. The all-or-nothing mentality. You miss one workout and throw the whole week away. One cheat meal, and suddenly the diet's ruined. That's the all-or-nothing trap. Fitness is a journey. One slip-up doesn't erase everything, but giving up does. How to fix it? Here's how to avoid falling into this trap again. Accept that slip-ups happen. What matters is your next move. One bad day won't ruin your journey, but giving up will. Aim for progress, not perfection. Always. Mistake number 13. Constantly comparing yourself to others. constant comparison is one of the fastest ways to lose motivation. It makes you feel behind. Even when you're actually making great progress, social media shows highlights, not hard work. How to fix it? Let's make this easier for you. Don't compare your day 30 to someone's year 5. Compare yourself to yesterday's you. That's real progress. These are the habits that might be sabotaging your fitness journey, but now you have the knowledge and the tools to turn things around. Fixing these habits will change everything. Better energy, faster results, stronger body. Remember, fitness isn't just about lifting weights, it's about lifestyle. Which of these habits resonates most with you? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more fitness insights.